What role do genetics play in sleep disorders, such as night terrors and autism? Have you ever wondered how genetics might influence sleep disorders like night terrors in children with autism spectrum disorder? This is an important question for families and professionals alike. Sleep issues are quite common among individuals with autism. Many children struggle to fall asleep, stay asleep, or have disrupted sleep patterns. Night terrors, which are episodes of intense fear or agitation during sleep, can be particularly distressing. Understanding the genetic factors at play can help us better support these children. Autism is known to have a strong genetic basis. Hundreds of genes have been linked to its development. These genes can influence how the brain forms connections and regulates essential functions, including sleep. Some genetic changes are inherited from parents, while others occur spontaneously. Because autism is genetically diverse, the specific genes involved can vary widely among individuals. Research indicates that certain gene mutations are more prevalent in individuals with autism who experience sleep problems. These genes often relate to brain circuits that control sleep and wakefulness, the body's internal clock, and the production of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. For instance, changes in genes such as MECP2, SLIC6A1, and ASMT have been identified in some individuals with autism and sleep disturbances. These changes can lead to difficulties falling asleep, frequent awakenings, or irregular sleep cycles. Interestingly, children with autism are more likely to have rare variations in genes associated with circadian rhythms and insomnia compared to their siblings who do not have autism. This suggests a higher genetic risk for sleep problems in autism. However, not every child with these genetic changes will experience sleep issues. The relationship between genetics and sleep is complex, as many factors, including environmental and behavioral influences, interact to affect sleep. When it comes to night terrors, the genetic basis is not fully understood. However, it is likely that disruptions in brain circuits that regulate deep sleep and arousal play a role. Some of the same genes involved in broader sleep disturbances may also contribute to night terrors. More research is needed to clarify this connection. Recognizing the genetic basis of sleep problems can help guide support strategies. For example, if a child has a known genetic variant affecting melatonin production, a doctor might suggest melatonin supplements as part of a sleep plan. Behavioral interventions, such as establishing consistent bedtime routines and creating a calming sleep environment, are also essential. For night terrors, ensuring safety during episodes and maintaining a predictable sleep schedule may help reduce their frequency. While genetics play a role, they do not tell the entire story. Environmental factors, co-occurring medical conditions, and behavioral habits also influence sleep in autism. Not all sleep problems are directly caused by genetic changes, and not all genetic changes lead to sleep issues. The interplay between genes and environment means that personalized approaches are necessary. In summary, genetics contribute to the high rate of sleep disorders, including possible night terrors in autism. Specific gene mutations can affect sleep-wake cycles, melatonin production, and brain circuits involved in sleep regulation. However, the relationship is complex and individualized. Understanding these genetic factors can inform more targeted support, but practical strategies should always consider the whole person, including their unique genetic background, environment, and daily routines. Families and professionals are encouraged to work together to address sleep challenges in autism, using both genetic information and evidence-based behavioral approaches.